Digital skills for all. Are you ready to unlock your full potential in the dynamic world of digital marketing? Look no further than the IIDM community, a thriving hub of digital marketing enthusiasts, professionals, and experts, all driven by the desire to excel in this ever-evolving field. Digital marketing is a constantly shifting landscape that demands adaptability, creativity, and strategic thinking. In the IIDM community, we believe in the power of collaboration and continuous learning. Here, you will get the help to develop skills that are in high demand in the digital marketing industry, enabling you to achieve your career goals. Our IIDM community is more than just a platform for knowledge sharing. It's a space for inspiration and growth. Engage in lively discussions, join special interest groups, and participate in stimulating challenges that push the boundaries of your creativity. Collaborate on exciting projects, connect with potential mentors, and foster valuable partnerships that could shift your career to new heights. Are you ready to embark on a transformative digital marketing journey? Join the IIDM community today and unlock a world of possibilities. There's never been a better time to start your journey towards success. We look forward to welcoming you to the vibrant IIDM community.
This was an International Institute of Digital Marketing informational video. To learn more, please visit www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org or subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more.